Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you how to make a drop-down list on Word, okay? It's very simple. All you have to do is go into the developer section on the top of your Word screen, and then just go here and find the option over here on top on the left, deployable list, okay? We're just going to click here, this, and then we're going to go into properties right here on controls, and then we are going to just write whatever the title of the list we want it to be. For example, it can be, I don't know, choose an option, and then we're going to click this option over here and click remove. Afterwards, we're going to click add, and then we're going to add all the options we want, okay? I'm going to add option A, option B, and of course option C. After doing all that, again, you can just type whatever you want. It doesn't have to be A, B, or C. It can be whatever you want. We're going to click accept, and just like that, we can choose an option. If we click the little arrow over here, you can see A, B, or C, okay? Thank you guys for watching today's tutorial. If you have any questions, please leave them on the comment section down below. And if not, I will see you next time. See ya!